Hi, everybody. Erin Troy. I am currently assigned to an elementary school, grades 1 through 5. A very eclectic blend of socioeconomic status and ethnicities, cultures, situations. It's actually been, very eye-opening and enlightening, and just a great experience overall to deal with um, children and their parents. So. Um, One thing I truly enjoy about the field is working with the kids. They're a handful at times, but I will say that all in all, it's been a wonderful experience to be able to help a bunch of children who really need a little extra helping hand here and there. One challenge that I face is that I still tend to put my mommy hat on, and I want to just scoop them all up and nurture them and care for them and make them all better or even take them home. But obviously, I resist those feelings. But it's difficult for me to put on the assess the situation and refer to where um, they need to go, their parents need to go in order to get the services that they so desperately need. So I'm able to do that, but it is difficult for me to do that. One thing that I've learned about myself in this field experience is that I'm more than capable in um, the professional world. I am not the most tech savvy, and that usually brings my opinion of my abilities down. But for being out of the workforce for 15, 16 years and being a stay-at-home mom, I'm impressed with the way that I've been able to adapt. So there's that. And I look forward to working with you all again this semester. All right, have a great night, guys.